Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Peugeot RCZ. From any screen, into menu, and then you see there you've got audio functions, diagnosis, personalization, and then Bluetooth audio or telephone audio. Click on that. Bluetooth configurations is highlighted. Click on that. Connect, disconnect an equipment, consult the paired equipment, delete a paired equipment, perform a Bluetooth search. So we'll go to, first of all, we'll make sure Bluetooth is on, switched on. So that's on, and then we'll click perform a Bluetooth search. Usually comes up as hands-free and then changes to Peugeot. There you go, it's Peugeot straight away. Showing us Barry's iPhone on the screen there. Accept the pairing with Barry's iPhone 10. Yes, it's defaulted to. So yes, it's asking me for a code. So freeze, I'll just go for 0000, which saves moving that cursor around. Click down the down arrow to OK. Isn't the Peugeot code, it's just one I use. 0000 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't, because I won't be using the car again, but you will. So Peugeot connected.